Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix your Honda Accord air conditioner using easy methods. First, let's start with some basic visual inspections. Begin by checking your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, look at your AC condenser, located in front of the radiator, for any leaves or road debris. Finally, observe if your compressor clutch engages when the AC is on, and listen for any strange sounds. A common issue is low refrigerant. You will need an AC recharge kit which includes a pressure gauge. Locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the larger diameter line, and connect the kit. Read the gauge to determine if your system is low on refrigerant. If it is, slowly add the refrigerant, ensuring you do not overfill the system, which can cause further damage. Aim for the recommended pressure range. Electrical problems can also prevent your AC from working. Start by checking the fuses related to your air conditioning system. Your owner's manual will show you the location of the fuse boxes and which fuses control the AC compressor and blower motor. Visually inspect these fuses for any signs of a blown filament. You can also test the AC relay by temporarily swapping it with another identical working relay from your vehicle. If you have no air coming from the vents, the blower motor might be the culprit. First, ensure the blower motor is receiving power. Sometimes debris like leaves can get into the blower motor housing and impede its operation. Also, check your cooling fan to make sure it is spinning freely when the AC is on. If the blower motor is not working despite receiving power and being clear of obstructions, it likely needs to be replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.